Welcome to another episode of Silver Champ. All right, I'm Big Gronks.
Little Gronks.
And we are here for another unboxing of something pretty cool, I think so. So Little Gronks, without further ado, why don't you go ahead and open up the package here. What we got here? Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, so we got something here.
Haven't seen this yet.
Yeah. Now they kind of put more packaging on it because the last one we got was a little busted up. So just to show you, we purchased this on eBay from a seller that we have purchased from before. So Little Gronks, you want to open that up? Show the camera. All right, look at that. That is
Case, they're open.
Yeah, the case is apart. So let's go ahead and take the coin and just put it.
Oh, my hand.
Just grab the edges, it'll be fine. And just put it in a little case there. This happens sometimes with these. They in shipping with these cheaper capsules. It's actually happened with all of these actually. And the capsules come apart and the coins fly out everywhere. But that's okay. I mean, the coins are. So we purchased these. Actually, we'll fire up the old Silver Chimp coin cam, and we'll take a look at these here. So you can see this is a. It's actually got a copy number on the back. No. Drop the coin. This is the back, and this is the back here, and that was the front actually. All right, and the other one is a 1933. Now these are the first and last year issue of the Double Eagle proof set. And as you can see, let's see here, these have the number 975. So these are matching. So as you can see here, Little Gronks, these are 19, this is numerical. And it's 1917, which was the first year of the high relief Double Eagle. And then this one here, the other one, Little Gronks, is the 1933, which is the last year. So what these is a commemorative set.
So, Big Gronks, where did these come from?
So, very good question. So we got these two here from the same person, Little Gronks, that we got these from. So this is kind of the story behind it. We purchased these first, which are the same coins. They just have different numbers on them. The exact same coins with the Double Eagles, same commemorative set. And when I got this, it only had 2 coins and it had an empty spot in it. So I called National Collections Mint, and they said, well, it's not supposed to have 3, it's supposed to have 2. And it came with this certificate of authenticity. I have a hard time saying that. Authenticity.
Want me to read it?
Yeah, read it for us.
This certifies and guarantees that each first and last year issue Double Eagle proof set contains 2 proofs, each struck by the National Collectors, mint in 1 ounce of 999 pure silver. This proof is a tribute to the first year of issue in 1907, high relief Double Eagle, the second to last year of issue 1933 Double Eagle. Each proof in the set confirms the following specifications.
Authenticity. I can't say that word.
No, it's right here. It says I can't say it.
Specifications.
Specification.
I can't say authenticity. Authenticity. Yeah.
Authenticity.
You said it really?
Authenticity.
Okay, you're. This is good stuff. Okay, so we've got these
Wait,
two.
Did I say it right?
You said it perfect.
Authenticity. Wait, I don't know the word anymore.
Authenticity.
Authenticity.
Okay, so this is the little certificate that goes along with it. This is what he just read, of course. And so it's 0.999 pure silver layered in 24 karat gold. Okay, and so here's the deal: is there's a number here that went on the bottom of these coins. None of these coins match this number. So What do we have here, Little Gronks? We have these two match here. These, that's a 976, 976. And that is kind of an odd number that doesn't match. So what I found out is when I purchased these, the certificate of how do you say it?
Authenticity. I don't remember the word.
Authenticity. I cannot say that word.
Authenticity.
Does not match these coins. Okay. So then I messaged her and said, hey, I'd like to see if you have the right one. Well, long story short, she didn't have any of the certificates, and so I purchased these for like $13 on a last second eBay, and of course spot at the time was $14.10, and so I think we did pretty good. I wasn't buying these for the collectors. We're not really coin collectors.
Yeah.
Was buying them for the silver. Silver stacking. And so pretty much all of these, I just kept asking her. She kept responding back to me and saying, well, I got a few more. My father-in-law, he passed away and he left me. And so she just kept kind of messaging me, and we wound up getting all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins. I think that's right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Well, no, that's 7, 8, 9. All 9 coins, we got them all for $13 a piece. And spot at the time was about $14.60 on some of these, $14.50 on the other two.
Yeah.
And $14.10 I think on the very first ones. So.
Good deals.
So we have none of these certificate of authenticity. Authenticity. But it really doesn't matter too much because we kind of just bought these to add to
our stack.
So those will be kind of cool to have. And a little bit of interesting history about the first and last year that the double eagles were made, 1917, and then the last year, 1933. And so these were created to... Now, I guess the only other thing we could do is, I don't know if they would, if we contacted the National Collectors Mint and maybe asked them for some of these certificates, and the few that we do have that match, we could write the number on the bottom, and we'd have, I don't know, maybe somebody watching could tell us if that's even possible or something we should try to do, because I don't know, it's worth a try. And then that would just make them a little bit more valuable. But for our purposes of what we're trying to do is build Little Gronks fat stack. So it actually works out, I think, pretty good for us, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So, all right, do you have any questions about these?
No.
Really. So, man, we would love to see if you would subscribe to our little channel here that we just started. And, oh yeah. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. And we'd like to thank Yankee Stacker for being our first subscriber. Woo! Shout out, man. All right, let's finish with a nice little chameau. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chameau!